Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my gosh.
Let's know where the music is at.
Yeah.
Should be cuties.
Yeah.
The cuties.
Yep. Nice bodies.
I know. Cuties with nice bodies.
Yes.
Where? Oh, that is messed up. There's so much love over here. Okay. So where should we go?
Oh yeah, my supermodel girlfriend.
Yeah.
You started to look like that. People put their cars like right here. Yeah, I thought you needed to be farther, like. Yeah. Shit. Oh, push it. What about? Because I know the water's gonna get higher.
Yeah.
Scientist.
I know. Oh, I guess you should be on the Big Bang Theory. I should be, right? Sheldon. I know. I kind of feel like, right here, cars and stuff would be there. Yeah, we just won't let anybody park there.
This is her van. Her party van.
I just really don't know how to She has her own reality show.
Yeah. YouTube. Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah.